welcome back to Unbox and Chill. Thank you so much for stopping in, guys. I always appreciate it. I really appreciate when you stop in. We've got an unboxing. We have something new to take a look at. This is our Watch Gang Platinum subscription watch for the month of March 2021, okay? We're going to take a look at it. We're going to go over everything. We're going to see it on full display. I do want to say at the top of the video, hit that subscribe button, be the cool guy. I think we just crossed over 750 subscribers, so keep in mind we do have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. We just did one at 500. That is coming up. I do want to say that at the top of the video, so if you can hear my voice, hit that subscribe button. There should be like my logo, a little red square in the bottom corner. If you hit that, a subscription box should pop up, so you can do it quickly that way as well, okay? All right, get your chocolate milk. That's what I'm having today. There's usually somebody that comments on what I'm drinking, because I always have a drink here. Today it's a chocolate milk, so get yourself a chocolate milk and we'll jump in, okay? All right, let's get the desk ready. And in terms of the customary wristwatch check, kind of before I jump in, I am wearing the Seiko King Turtle. Kind of the last, I don't know, like I guess a little bit more, a little pricier piece that I purchased. I did get a fantastic deal on it. And then I do have it on this beautiful Strapco Jubilee bracelet. So nice piece that I wear, I'll say at least 2 or 3 days out of the week currently. So, but let's hop back, okay? So this is the Watch Gang Platinum Tier subscription watch. Keep in mind this is $300, okay? So you're gonna wanna see $300 worth of value here. You know, let me know in the comment section below. Is this something you would wear? Do you see 300 bucks worth here? We'll go over it, okay? And of course I have all the specifications. We'll go over the specifications as well. So we've got the watch roll. And if you remember last month, the watch came with a watch roll. We had a Blackwell, I believe it was the Van Allen, and it did come with a leather watch roll, similar to this one. And so this one has a watch roll as well. This is a little bit different brand though. We'll get into that, okay? So I will say in terms of the watch roll, it's nice. It does smell like leather, and it does have room for probably about 3 watches. You know, if you wanted to travel, you could throw them in here, throw this in a suitcase, and you wouldn't really have to worry about them. So let's pop this open. I do like the white contrast stitch that's on this watch roll as well. Just pop this open. And I did, of course, I have it pulled up. I already opened this. We kind of messed around with it a little bit, my wife and I. Let's see here, because believe it or not, she actually did kind of like this one. So I kind of let her try it on a little bit. So we've got, of course, the microfiber. We've got the Valandry microfiber cloth. We'll put that to the side here. You do get the, let's see here. So you've got the, of course, the, let's see if we can bring that in. The brand there, Valandry. So you see the logo, we've got a V with like a fleur-de-lis. So that's kind of a like a rose gold situation on the card there. We'll put that to the side. And we've got the, let's see here. This actually came with a, I guess a tool here. So you've got a tool here, and it does have the Valandry logo on there as well. And that's probably going to be to make adjustments to the bracelet there. So, all right, let's put all that to the side. And we've got the actual watch, okay? Now, keep in mind, we did try it on already. We took a look at it. And I will say from the top here that as I ready my wrist here, I'm just popping off the Seiko. My wife actually did like this watch. I actually let her try it on and wear it for a day. There's something about the design that my wife really took to. She actually liked it. You know, it's got that kind of fancy fluted bezel here. I suspect that that has something to do with what she liked about it. You know, it's a little bit blingy, the fluted bezel that is on this. Let's go in for some detail shots here, actually. Give me 1 second. There we go. All right. So as you can see here, you know, you do have, in terms of the hands and in terms of the indices, you know, you've got those done in like a gold, it seems. And then you do have a, it looks like a, essentially it's like a silver. I would say it looks white here, but it's more of a kind of a silver dial. And then you see you've got the sub dials there. So you've got the, with blue hands. So I do think that the blue pops. I do like the blue and the gold against the, silvery or kind of a white silvery dial. I think it looks pretty good. You've got at the 6 o'clock there, you've got a date complication. I think I'm a sucker for a nice 6 o'clock date complication. Sometimes when it's over here at the 3, it's a little too busy. Sometimes at the 4, I think that's getting kind of played. I do like it at the bottom. Same way my Hamilton is. It's got that bottom date complication there. So yeah, I have it's the same way Hamilton does it. Same way Hamilton does it. So well, I mean, they have a couple different types, but I do like the way it is on my particular Hamilton. I will say, in terms of this, let's see here. So it looks like that Valandry logo at the top is just kind of printed on. It's not applied at all. It looks like that's printed on, just like Rivoli is down there, which is the model. On the back here, which is kind of interesting, that I think my wife liked as well, it does have this, it's almost like a like a designer print. It has the fleur-de-lis, which is their logo. I'm assuming this, some kind of French association here. There's some French words I noticed on the website as well. But it does have that kind of pattern, almost like a designer handbag type of pattern on the back. So I think that, along with the kind of blingy, fluted bezel, I think that's kind of what made her take to it. I let her try it on. She wore it for a day. And she did like it. So, I think it has appeal for both men and women. Not to say it's a woman's watch or it feels like a woman's watch, because it is a decent size. But there is of course a trend of women wearing slightly oversized watches here. You do have let's see here. So there is looks like this. There is a a signed crown there. So you do have the Valandry logo on the crown, and then of course back here you have looks like the butterfly style clasp here. So at this price point, $300. I mean, listen, this is a decent clasp. We wouldn't want that kind of cheapy pressed situation. But this is, let's see here. This does have the Valandry logo there at the top and the bottom. So you have it at the top, and then you have the words Valandry at the bottom. So overall, like I said, not a terrible piece. You do have a Miyota movement in here. We will go over the exact Miyota movement. Give me 1 second here, as this does not have a screw down crown. Of course, this is not a diver. As we give it some juice, you can see it start to sweep there. There we go. So Miyota, not a Seiko NH35. At this price point, I noticed they seem to use a lot of Miyota movements at the platinum price point for these watches. But let's pop back out. We'll throw it on my wrist, and we'll check out the specs here, okay? Bear with me 1 second. There we go. All right, so we're back out. I'm gonna throw it on my wrist. Keep in mind, guys, it is sized for my wife, so I'm just gonna throw it on my wrist real quick here so that you guys can see what it looks like here. But just understand something. Your wife just might steal it. Here we go. So there it is. You can see what the case looks like on my wrist. Let me go in here. There we go. There's the case on my wrist, guys. We're going to play our usual game, guess the case size. I'm going to pay it off in a second. Let me know what you think. I have roughly 8¼ inch wrists. There you go. You can see that sweep. You can see the nice blue hands on those subdials there. The nice gold accents, which I don't mind. The nice gold accents, it kind of reminds me of a couple watches that I have. I have a Nathan's and an Orient watch that is stainless but with gold accents. That's something I really like. That contrast looks really good. Overall, like I said, not a bad piece. Let's check out what I'm assuming is a sapphire crystal, but I will check on that later. There we go. Looks like it's a little bit of a curvature to it. It's not totally flat. Okay, let's pop that back out. And in terms of the specifications, guys, I actually have it right here. I should have been a little more prepared. I usually have this already kind of ready to go and increased here so that I can... Okay, here we go. All right, let's move this out of the way. So we do have a stainless steel, as I pop this off. Bear with me 1 second. We have a stainless steel polished round case. We do have a crown, polished stainless steel. This is what they have for specifications. Oh, okay, description. Hold on, let me go to specifications. I was like, these don't seem like the specifications. Here we go. Okay, cool. 44 millimeters, guys. All right. So in terms of that case size, keep in mind, You're looking at 44 millimeters on that. You've got a 13 millimeter thickness. It is made out of stainless steel. I'm assuming it's just 916L. That's kind of standard there. It does have a polished finish, as you can see. That's what they're saying here. As you can see, it is, you do have a brushed down the sides of the band here, and then you have the polished going down the center. I will say that the design of the band is pretty nice. Being, it's a little more intricate. I don't mind the design of the band at all. Let's see here. So in terms of your lug width, you're looking at 22 millimeters there. So a wide range of straps would look nice on this. I actually think this would look nice with a nice blue leather strap, maybe a light blue, the color of the hands. I think would look really nice with a stitch here. That would look very nice. Let's see here. So you've got, like I said, 22 millimeter case lug, strap 22 millimeters. In terms of the movement, it does say automatic multifunction 3-hand with date. Specifically, it is the Japan-made Miyota 9122, and it says that there is a single curved sapphire crystal. So nothing we haven't seen for watch gang specs before. Typical Miyota 9000 movement. 316L stainless steel, sapphire crystal. They seem to put out a lot of watches that have those specs at least for the $300 price point, not the cheaper stuff. So no mineral crystal, no NH35s, those sort of things. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is this a watch that you would wear? Is this worth $299? I want to know your opinion. Like I said, if you get it, your wife might like it. She might steal it. Kind of has a little bit of a designer flair to it. So she's one of those women that likes to wear a little bit of an oversized watch, which is, a style women wear men's watch with with certain outfits. You may get robbed. I'm just letting you know that now. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I do appreciate you stopping in. Hit that subscribe button. Be the cool guy. Join the Unbox and Chill family. Thank you so much. This has been Unbox and Chill, signing out.